Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to compress PDF file size. So basically, if you cannot upload a PDF because the file size is too large, there are some ways on how to fix it. And number one is to look for a compress editor or compress the PDF in the fastest way. And there are tons of websites that can help you compress your PDF. First, we have here is the Adobe Acrobat. So all you have to do is go to any web browser and then type Adobe Acrobat, and you could see this one right here. Also, apart from that, you can go to any web browser and then type compress PDF. Then you can see different websites that can help you compress or lessen the MB of your file. So let's start with the Adobe Acrobat. So I'm going to show you first what it looks like if you want to upload a PDF file yet it's too large. This notification or message will pop up and you cannot upload that specific PDF due to its high MB or because the file size MB is too large. So in Adobe Acrobat, you can see here convert feature where you can see the compress option, and all you have to do is to click that one and you will see this compress a PDF, and this is where you're going to add your file. So tap on select a file right here. Make sure that your file is ready. All you have to do is to click that specific file with a high MB or a large file. And as you can see, one moment as we take you to Acrobat adobe.com. So all you have to do is to click that one. Now you will have your option right here before you can compress your PDF. You will have your option if you want high, smallest size, standard quality. You can also see here medium, medium size, better quality, and the low, larger size, highest quality. So you can choose, but the recommended is the first one. So select the one that you want to use, and then as you can see, it's now compressing. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now your compressed PDF is ready, and all you have to do is tap on download. Apart from that, there are also options below that you can try, but for the meantime, let's just focus on how to compress your PDF or a large file right here. So just tap on download and then you will see the MB that you have now. Let's just say from 300 MB to 200 KB, something like that. You will see the result right away. Aside from the Adobe Acrobat, you can also go to any web browser and then look for a specific website that can help you compress PDF. So first we have here is the I Love PDF. All you have to do is to upload the PDF. And then again, same as in Adobe Acrobat, you can choose. So you have option right here. Now you just have to click and then once done, then tap on the compress PDF. And now it's compressing and you will see the result and how much you have saved or reduced. And then after that, you just have to click this file right here in the downloaded folder and you will see the result. So if you're not okay with the result, you can go back and then change the option. As easy as that. So aside from I Love PDF, you can see here small PDF. You can just basically again choose the file, upload the file from your computer. So click that one, click that PDF, and then tap on open. Now, as you can see, you have your option again, but with the small PDF, there is this option below. If you want to tap on the high quality, you need to upgrade your plan. So if you want to do that, you just have to upgrade your plan. But if you want to just use the basic version, and if you just want to reduce your file MB, you can just choose the first one, and this is the result. So tap on download. Once done, you can also see the option below. If you want to merge, if you want to convert your PDF, there are tons of options below. So we have here, I Love PDF, small PDF, and the last one we have is this PDF tool right here. You just have to click PDF 24 tools. You just have to choose file from your computer. Just click choose files right here. Make sure that the file is ready from your device. Click that PDF or huge file, MB file PDF. You should see it right away. And then below you can edit, you can change, for example, if you want to change this one right here, or you just want to simply add the percent, or let's just say if you want to change the color, you just have to simply change So once done, tap on compress and then wait for a couple of seconds. Your file should now be ready, and all you have to do is to download. And basically that's it. So as you can see, there are many ways on how to reduce or compress your MP file. Here you can save it directly to your Google Drive, Dropbox, email, and other application. So as you can see in PDF 24 tools, there are other things that you can do or features that you can unlock. You can also use the PDF lock right here or other applications such as Convert and so on. So let's just focus on with the compressed PDF. As you can see, there are tons of websites that you can go and then compress your PDF aside from Adobe Acrobat. If you think that, or if your Adobe Acrobat is not for free, you can use the websites for free. Or if these websites are not for free, you can go back to Adobe Acrobat and then compress your PDF. And basically that's it. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.